Let's understand movements of Earth in this video. Have you ever wondered why we have day and night? Or why seasons change? Long ago, many people thought the Earth did not move and everything else moved around it. A scientist named Nicholas Copernicus studied the sky and gave a new idea. He said the sun is at the center and the earth moves around it. The earth moves in two main ways, called rotation and revolution. Rotation is when an object turns around its own center, like a spinning top. The earth spins around an imaginary line through its center called the axis. Because of rotation, the sun seems to rise in the east and set in the west. One full turn of the earth takes about 24 hours, and that is one day. At any time, only one half of the earth faces the sun and gets daylight. The other half faces away from the sun and has night. As the earth keeps turning, places move into sunlight and then back into darkness. Now let us learn about revolution, the other big movement of the earth. Revolution means the earth moves around the sun along a path called its orbit. The orbit is not a perfect circle. It is an oval shape called elliptical. The earth takes about 365 and 1/4 days to go once around the sun. This time is what we call a year. The extra 1/4 day each year makes a leap year every 4 years, when we add February 29th. The earth also moves in space at an average speed of about 29.8 kilometers per second. Two special points on the orbit are called perihelion and aphelion. Perihelion is when the earth is nearest the sun, around January 3rd, at about 147.3 million kilometers. Aphelion is when the earth is farthest from the sun, around July 4th, at about 152.1 million kilometers. The earth is also tilted on its axis by about 23.5 degrees. And this tilt is very important. Because of the tilt, different parts of the earth get more or less sunlight at different times of the year. This change in sunlight causes the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it gets more direct sunlight and has summer, while the southern hemisphere has winter. When the southern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it has summer, and the northern hemisphere has winter. There are 2 positions called equinoxes when the sun shines almost directly on the equator. At equinoxes, day and night are nearly equal in length everywhere on Earth, and seasons switch between spring and autumn. Solstices happen around June 21st and December 21st. Around June 21st, the northern hemisphere has its longest day and shortest night, and the southern hemisphere has the opposite. Around December 21st, the northern hemisphere has its longest night and shortest day. So, what do we learn from this? We learn that rotation makes day and night, and revolution plus the tilt makes the seasons. Let us quickly remember the main points. The earth rotates once every day and revolves around the sun once every year. The tilt of about 23.5 degrees gives us seasons, and we add a leap day every 4 years to match the orbit. Thank you for listening. Keep your curiosity alive and keep asking questions about our world. You can explore more fun lessons on EduRev to learn and enjoy science. See you next time.